Hello and good morning, everyone. Today is the 20th of January, 2021, Wednesday morning here in Hamburg. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English trading coach. Today we're going to be doing the German market opening and trading on the Dax. So, as always, first things first, we're going to open up our Dax chart, bring in the new chart into play, bringing that template up over here, open range breakout Dax. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial of what's going on. If you've watched a few of our previous videos, you're going to know more about this chart than others. As we can see, there's a few purple horizontal lines in the chart. These are called big numbers, simply because they are big numbers in the market price. We consider these to be pivot points in the market, but let's go to the main event of our template, so to say. And it is just over here. It's a bit messy today, so we've got this orange box here. Ignore the blue boxes for this moment. So we've got this orange box. This orange box is our open range. Now, the reason why we trade an open range in the morning for the DAX is because we trade the German market opening. And the German market opening is at 9 o'clock German time. And at that time, we see the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. And at the opening of the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, we see the collision of the two markets, so the futures markets and the cash markets. We get that collision at the opening, and we see a surge in the market price. Moving on, we normally see a breakout of this range at 9 o'clock on the dot, but as we can see, we've ever so slightly already broken out of that range. So how are we going to trade this? Let's go to the left of our screen, double click on that Swiss box trading tool, just change that magic number, and we're going to bring that Swiss box configurator up into the chart. So this is our trading tool. So this is how we're going to navigate the markets in order to make profit from this breakout strategy. As you can see, when I click the box lines on, over here we see two lines appear in the chart, a red line and a green line. These represent two pending orders, the green being a buy stop and the red being a sell stop. Here we've got the number 15 telling us it's 15 points in between those two lines. We can always edit this over here, so we can even change it to 10, 11, 100, however you want it to be. Yeah, but we're going to stick with the 15 points. So as we can see, we're actually quite a bit bigger than our open range this morning, but that's not a big issue. Next thing that we're going to move on to is in the configurator, we have the set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. Now these are different presets for risk management and target profit settings. 1 being the smallest and 4 being the highest risk and reward. So we're going to go with a set 2 today, and then it's all about placing our Swiss box, setting ourselves up for that opening in 5 minutes. So this morning we can see we've already broken out this line. We've got the daily pivot just a few points above. As you can see, our box size is actually bigger than what the open range is this morning. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take something which is called a C-box trade. As we can see, the daily pivot over here, we're expecting some pullback from that area. So I'm going to enter my box. So once we've set our boxes up, we click box lines on, entry on, and that's our box set up. So now we're just waiting for the market to move. As soon as the market price moves outside of these two lines, it's going to trigger one of those pending orders. As you're about to see here, we might trigger that sell. And as soon as one of those pending orders is triggered, we're going to see our take profit automatically input into the chart, like so. So here is our take profit set according to our target profit settings. Take profit and the lot sizes will be set automatically from the Swiss box itself. If our risk and reward are at the same ratio, what's going to happen is our take profit is always going to be the same distance away from our box as the box itself. However, if we get a pullback like here from the market and we end up going through the top of our box, we will enter into a second trade, into a buy trade. And this is how the Swiss box works, because at the end of the day, no one knows if the market's going up or down. So the Swiss box kind of takes that away. We just need to know when the market is going to move up or down. Um, so we can continue to trigger trades up to a certain point. Of course, we can't just trigger trades forever, but that is exactly the reason why we followed the market openings or big news announcements. Anything where we're going to expect the market to make some big movements is when we're going to be trading with this Swissbox tool. So we've got around 3 minutes until the market open now. So we're back again, guys. We've got a minute until the market opening. And as we can see, we're still on the same direction down through the chart. Now our take profit is always set at a certain distance in order to gain our target profit. However, if we feel that the market is going to be moving further away, we can always press our custom target here and we can move that accordingly. Yeah? However, today we're just going to keep it at its usual area. And here we've got the market opening. We can see there's a lot of volatile movement going through right now. And once we trigger these trades in the market, we can see over here in the configurator it says one.trade, telling us that we're currently in the first trade. And we have a red slight tin and a red arrow pointing down, telling us that this trade is currently a sell. So we've broken through that daily pivot here, but still getting some pullback. So as we wait for the market now to correct the situation, we're pushing ourselves back down through the chart here towards that take profit. Usually we can expect a few minutes for our Swiss box to be in and out of any one trade if we're lucky enough to have the volatility within the market. So as you can see here, we're currently a few minutes in. We've had our Swiss box trade open now for about 10 minutes and currently at the end of our just a few points off of our take profit there. If we ever feel like our take profit is at a certain level of support or resistance and we're not going to be able to get past that any further, we can always unlock the buttons here. So you can see we've got a lock button next to here. We can unlock it and we can manually close all of those trades. However, I feel like we're going to push through and hit that take profit target just here. So we've just pushed past our take profit there and automatically closed, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found it interesting to see how our Swissbox trading tool works. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. For the new people that haven't seen this before, if you would like to get more information or try it out for yourself, please visit our website www.tradersclub24.com and sign up for the 30-day free trial. Thank you very much.